Hello friends, so today in this video we are going to see how to add two numbers in Java. So let's say we are given two numbers. Number 1, let's say a is equals to 5 and number b is equals to 5. So we should return the output 10. So for this we have to write the function to calculate the sum of two numbers. So I am going to write the function public int. Why I am writing int is because of the return type, because we want the output 10 to be returned, and the function name is add. And after that I am going to define the parameters, let's say int a and int b, and inside this function I am going to write the logic. So let me define another variable as int sum is equals to 0. Let this sum store the sum of both the numbers. So let's say sum is equals to a plus b, and we are going to return this sum. So let's write the return statement as return sum. So the calculated sum of both the numbers will be returned via this line. So this is the logic behind to add two numbers via Java program.